So for this next one, we're going to have a look at how we add files onto a OneNote page. To do this, you're going to have to make sure that you have something saved on your device. So in the files section of your iPad, you might need to put a PDF in there, a Word document, a JPEG, anything along those lines. But if you've been using your iPad for a little while, there's a good chance something's already there. So to do that, we're going to come up to Insert, and we're looking for File, which is this one here. Now you want to think about where you want to put the file on the page. For this one here, we're going to pop it in this green box. So I'm going to click in the green box like so, and I'm going to come up here and click File. Now this is really going to depend where you end up. And if you've been working on something recently, it's probably best to click on Browse and come up here to Recent. And that will show you everything that you've recently been doing. So I might want to take maybe this poster that I've made, click on it, it's going to prepare it, and then it's popped that file in on the page, ready for someone else to click on and load onto their device. I want you now to have a go at doing that on your iPad.